some nice Swiss chard. Swiss chard को Italian में बोलते हैं bietole. So just chop up these Swiss chard leaves which we have in here. So I've got about a teaspoon of chopped garlic and about a teaspoon of minced ginger as well over here. A few baby onions I have. Super with Swiss chard. Fry them in ginger and garlic in this Swiss chard. Absolutely nutritious vegetable. इसको थोड़ा सा मिक्स कर देंगे. हल्का सा नमक. Some nice red chili paste with black beans and garlic. Oh yes. Just about a teaspoon or a little more than that. Those should be ready by now. Let me get a plate. So what do you think? Not a bad start.